Hey kitty girls, I know it looks like I'm in desperate need of a fill, but that's only because my press-on game is so good that they've lasted me over a month with this new brand that I'm trying. Well, technically it's not a new brand because we all know that I swear by Kiss nails. They're the only press-ons that I use, but this is a different style of their nail, and this Zariah Gardner approved, yes. So take this as your sign to stop going to the nail salon and grab the nail glue, sweetheart, because especially in this economy, you must be made of money. Or maybe it's the ADHD talking, because I swear I can't even sit in a chair that long. And don't get me started on the way that they hold your hand. Oh, never been much of a romantic. I could never take the intimacy. It's just too much stimulation. So today I'm going to show you how I apply my press-ons for maximum longevity. And these things are gripped so good on my nail that removal was honestly a bitch. I had to trim them all down like acrylics and then go in with my hand drill and several rounds of acetone. So that's just what you see me doing here, the nail removal from my previous set. But fun fact, actually really sad fact, my nails are so damaged. I have that Onycholysis, whatever it's called, when your nail is separating from the plate. I have that on like a few nails because honestly, I went to a nail salon years ago and he pried my shit up, and that was the beginning of it. And then ever since then, I just kind of bite my nails off. So they're growing, they're healing. We're working on that healing process. And press-ons, I love them because they're not as harsh as acrylic. So when I was doing my nails on a weekly basis, it was easy to take them off without damaging my nail any more than it already was. But now that my nails are kind of grown out and somewhat healed, I can use a stronger nail. Press-ons have definitely helped the healing process, but one thing when you have your nail lifted from the plate, you have to be vigilant. Is that the right word? Hold on, let me grab a dictionary. Girl, hey Siri. Because any moisture under your nails, because if you have the slightest bit, you might get a greenie. I had one of those for like the first time last year. I said, girl, am I dying? What's going on here? Is my finger about to fall off? But we're good now. I'm going to take this moment to express gratitude though, because I just had the image of, you know, those girls who say they've had their nails caught in car doors or just slammed in doors and stuff like that, and their whole fingers are just bloody. So, let's have a moment of silence because that was never me. Amen. I also really feel like we're in an era of anti-maintenance because everyone went from bragging to how much they spent on the routine to how much they do this. And now girls are getting popular for showing what press-ons they use. Do y'all remember Justine's camera roll? I attribute her growth literally to that video she made about the press-ons. Also, can we talk about the struggle of having big nails? Big nail plates? Is that what they're called? Just my whole nail is big, girl. Like, some girls have big backs, some girls have big butts. I have big nails, and it's so hard finding press-ons that actually fit. I know people do custom press-ons and stuff, and when you order them, they make you take your measurements with tape and stuff. I've yet to do that, but maybe I should, because they have some really good sets out there. But going into like a drugstore or a Walmart, girl, how do you think I am the press-on professional? Because I've been if I had a business that I cared about, so I know what it takes to run a business. I've tried the nails, so I can tell you what's good and what's not. And if they don't come in my size, automatically no, because who are they making these for? Children? Half of the time, yes, that's why the nails are so small. But I just think it's very discriminatory that they don't go past like a size. I don't know. My pinky is the size of some people's pointer fingers. So I just appreciate Kiss for doing their big one every time and thinking of the wide finger girlies. You see us, we see each other. I love you for that. And after I finish my removal, we're going to start with some light prep. I don't do anything too major. Like, I just do my cuticle removal, and I don't even like dehydrate my nail. Don't kill me, but I don't think it's necessary after all the filing I just did. As long as you don't put your hands on any moisture or oil, like, girl, you don't want to absolutely obliterate your nail. You want to let it breathe, let it be happy, be healthy. So we're really just going to focus on the cuticle because I hate hate having dry, crusty cuticles with a fresh set. Also, removing the cuticle growth on the nail is important because when you press it on, if you glue it on top of cuticle, it's gonna lift. Like, it's not on the nail completely. Do you understand what I'm saying? Anyway, these are the nails we're using today. Cute, love them. Take a good look at the French tip because she's not gonna be there at the end. Now we're just lining up our little soldiers all nice and cute because they're about to go to battle. They're about to I almost made a really inappropriate joke. I don't know what age my audience is, to be honest, but bam, one hand's already done. I tried French tips. I tried like literally these style French tips, and they were cute for like a week or two. I just thought I just think French tips are too flashy. Sorry to the French and any adjacent countries, but I love your fries. And I'm going to show you guys, literally, I take my hand file and just lightly buff the surface. Like I said, we're not doing anything smancy fancy over here. So lean in real close because I'm going to tell you the secret if we're not doing all that extra prep. Just get a good nail. You know, that's it. If you have a good structurally integrity, what? If you have a good nail with structural integrity and it's not paper thin or flimsy, and a lot of nails have been doing this thing called soy printing, something like that. I don't know what that means, but as long as the plastic isn't too flimsy, you're golden, girl. Your nail is going to last. And I could literally listen, I want you to listen to this ASMR. That was me banging on my car window, but they sound sturdy, don't they? Yeah. So once you find a good brand you like, stick with it. Don't switch up. That's how you get disappointed. I've really been all about perfecting my signature look recently, and the nails are just part of that. I don't want anything too chaotic on my hands. So in a minute, we're going to get ready to style these to my preference. But for application, literally put more glue than you think you need. Sometimes you'll see me swipe it on the surface of the nail if I just think that my first placement wasn't that good, because once you press this thing on, it's on. So I wouldn't worry too much about not putting enough glue. Put more than you think you need, girl, because you see mine, it spills over, it's flooding the cuticle, but we can wash that off later. It's going to be okay. And then with the glue, it's not anything fancy. It's Kiss glue. Kiss, at this point, when are y'all going to cut me a check? Because, yeah, love you from infinity to infinity. And this is our finished set. Psych. This is just what it looks like after they're freshly pressed on. And I'm not going to lie, they're kind of cute, but they're just not for me. So we're going to go ahead and round those edges out. My go-to nail shape since like 9th grade has been almond. I tried to hop on the coffin train. I tried to do the Kylie Jenner long square nails, and it just doesn't, it's not cunt for me. It doesn't resonate with my soul. So like I said, it's all about knowing what you like and drowning out the noise of whatever's trendy or whatever's going on and staying true to yourself. That's the realest thing you could do. And look at that. Doesn't that look so much more flattering on my hand shape? Like I told you, I have big beefy hands. I need something that's gonna make me feel dainty and demure and feminine, you know? So now we're just gonna take off that gaudy white. It's just so loud. Like, I don't think you guys, it's cute, but from a distance, all I see, like if I'm in the mirror at the gym, all I see is my white nails. And it's like, oh, girl, is this who we are? This who we represent? Also, the nude just looks so good with the pink toes. Y'all saw my toenail tutorial. If you didn't, tap in right there. But now we're just going to take a little bit of alcohol on a cotton pad or a piece of toilet paper in my case, because we all know I'm lazy. Swipe our nails and wipe our surface, because clean as you go. And cuticle oil, which I got this big old bottle from the hair store for less than like $3, and I've had it forever now. Moisturize to get rid of all the dusties, and there you go. You're ready to stunt with your new grabbers. So I really hope I've helped you see the light and possibly converted someone else to the church of press-on nails, because I am the Pope. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.